Hello friends, welcome to my channel and myself Ananda. Today we are going to see Anypoint Code Builder beta version, and we will see this is the second part of my video on this specific topic. I already post one video on Anypoint Code Builder setup part. If you have not watched it yet, so I would request you to go and watch that video first, and then this, because this is the continuation, this is the second part of the series. And you can find that video link in the description box. So let's now start with the Anypoint Code Builder, and we will, in this video, we'll more going to explore that how we can change the look and feel, how we can create a specific directory under which I can import my MuleSoft projects. And then we'll see how to import the project in Anypoint Code Builder if I already have a jar file created from my local studio. And then we'll see how to test that MuleSoft project on Anypoint Code Builder. So let's start. So now I am in my Anypoint platform trial version. Anypoint platform trial version, and I am going to click on this code builder beta, and that will take me to this particular page. And now what I will do, I will going to launch the web ID. So let's click on that web ID. So it's launching. Once it's launched again, so it's already launched the web ID. Now what we would say, first it will take me to this get started page. So let me close this for the time being, because I will want to show you how, if it is automatically not coming up, then how you can get this get started page. So first thing is that you can see this MuleSoft logo. See, this is the Anypoint Code Builder. So if you click on this, then it will automatically take you to this particular window pane, where from you can see that you can start designing an API, you can implement an API, you can develop an integration. So this is the extension. You can see that this extension actually showing that in this visual code builder, all these Anypoint Code Builder extensions are added. So these are the extensions available. So let's move on to this Anypoint Code Builder welcome mat. So we can then start that welcome page from this specific, by clicking on this specific icon. So let's click on this. It will show me this welcome to Anypoint Code Builder page. So in that welcome page, from that welcome page, I can go to the tutorials. I can see what is the designing, how to design an API, how to implement an API, or how to develop an integration in Code Builder. And if I click on these tutorials, it will straight away take me to the MuleSoft documents on created for these specific topics. And those are very elaborative topics, and you can refer it for your, for further understanding. So now what we'll see, how to change the look and feel a bit. So let's, okay, before going to that, I can show you one thing. Let's, from my keyboard, I am just pressing Shift, Control and P to open the command palette. And here I will type MuleSoft to show you that what all MuleSoft commands are already available. So now let's start on working on the, let's see how we can change the look and feel as per our convenience. So I will go here, and then I will just click on these three bars, and then I will go to help, and I will click on this get started. So if get started is not appearing automatically, you can get the get started page from here. And then you can click on this get started with VS Code in the web, and this will give you an option, choose the look you want. So now say I want to do this, so I will click on this, and it will create my, it will change the look and feel like this. So let me go back to the original look and feel. So this is how we can change the look and feel. Now let's see that how we can change or create a directory so that within that directory we can keep all our Anypoint Code Builder projects, or whatever MuleSoft projects I want to create or I want to import, I want to keep it in a specific folder. So first thing is that how we need to see that how we can open the folder, and need to see that what's the user profile folder already created by default. So, okay, before I moving to that, one thing I forgot to do, that is that I am not yet logged into my into the Anypoint platform. So what I need to do, I need to first log in. So once again, now see, I can open the command palette from here also. So I will go to view and then I will open the command palette. If I don't want to use the keyboard operation, like if I don't want to press Shift, Control and P to open the command prompt, I can do that from that navigation window also. So now I will go to this particular option, MuleSoft login to Anypoint platform. Once I do that, it will ask me to allow. I will click allow, and then I will allowed to open this link, and this will open the Anypoint Code Builder. And basically this is the way how it is going to log me into Anypoint Code Builder. From Anypoint Code Builder, it will log me into the Anypoint platform. So now you see that my user ID is showing. So if you can see your user ID Anypoint platform user ID, if you can see on this bar, that means you are logged in to your Anypoint platform from Anypoint Code Builder. So now what we'll see that as I was discussing, that now we'll see how we can, I mean, we need to get into that user profile directory, and we have to create a new directory under it. So let's open the comment palette once again. So what I will do, I will go comment palette, and I will use this open folder. So let's click on the open folder. So you can see automatically it is showing my user profile folder. So it's under home and then my username. So under this, if you want to create one more folder, then what you can do, you can first go to this folder location. So once I click OK, it will take me to, I will trust this, and it will take me to that folder, I mean, file explorer. So from where I can see this is my root, I mean, this is the root folder, which is my username, and under that, this folders got created. Okay. Now I will right click over here, and I can click a new folder, click on new folder, and then say I want to, just one moment, so let me click on new folder, and let me give a name to it. So I want to give it a name, say demo, then press enter. So this new folder will create it, and now I can import all the project under demo. So you can also use a term, I mean, open a terminal, and from that terminal also you can create a folder inside your root folder. So let's see how to do that. Let us open a terminal. So let's go here, and you click on new terminal. So it will open a terminal, and it will automatically take you inside the root folder. So now if I want to create one more, so first of all, let me do a ls, and it will show me the demo and Mule runtime. These are the two folders. So let me now do a mkdir, and let me say I can trying to create one more folder here, saying it demo underscore terminal. And if I put enter, sorry, anyways, so automatically it's, excuse my spelling mistake. Actually, I forgot to press L at the end. But yeah, you can clearly see that I have created one more folder from terminal. So now we are going to, let me delete this because I'm not going to use it anymore. This is just for demo purpose. So I am going to click delete permanently. So if I have done some mistake, want to rename, I can also rename. Okay, so that way, yeah. So it's got renamed. Now, if I want to delete it, I can click and delete permanently. So I'm just right clicking and I'm getting all these options. Okay, let me show you once again. I'm just selecting this, I'm right clicking and then I'm clicking delete permanently and then I will click delete. So it will automatically got deleted. So I believe you are now you able to understand how we can explore or navigate these folder structures within Anypoint Code Builder. So next, what we will see to do, we will export one project into Anypoint Code Builder. So for that, I have already created few projects from my Anypoint studio, and I'm going to open this. Okay, so before that, I want to tell you one thing. You can actually means in the same way you can actually import an entire workspace what you have already created, under which you have all the projects created from your Anypoint studio, but that will take some time to sync up. So I'm not going to do that. Rather, I'm just going to I'm just going to import one specific project to demo how to do that in Anypoint Code Builder. But same way, you can follow the same step for importing the entire workspace. Or if you have any more doubt, you can and you want to do that, you can very well refer the MuleSoft documentation and you will get the detailed steps over there. So now I'm just selecting demo because I am going to drop my project inside this demo folder because that is the purpose why I created this. Okay. So let me open it. Okay. Now this is the project I want to import and just drag and drop. And now it is actually fast not importing, I mean fast, it is loading the project. So once it loads, then we have to import. Okay. So now this project got this jar file got loaded into Anypoint Code Builder. Now what I will do, I will again open the comment palette. I'm using the keyboard. Okay, let me show you from here. So I'm going to, sorry, I will going to, I would go to this view and then I will click on this comment palette, and from comment palette I will type import, and this will open MuleSoft import a Mule project. So let me click on this. Okay, so let me select this and it start importing. Okay, it's now start importing and I can see the file structure, my application file structure. So pretty similar what we can see in the Anypoint Studio. So now I will go here. I want to let me, give it some more time. Yeah. Now this XML flow has appeared and I just click on this. Now you can see this is the XML version of the code, and it will show this flow will be visible over here. So let's wait for some time. Uh, Sometimes takes some time. Just read. Yeah, it start creating the flow. Just refreshed. It's preparing the flow canvas. See. Oh, okay. So now it created the flow also. So at this moment, what we'll do, we will just little bit modify this code. What I will do, because earlier I created this specific project with HTTPS listener, but I don't want to do that. So here, I just want to keep it a simple HTTP. So if I want to, I mean, do some modification, I can do it from this XML editor. So I'm just making it HTTP instead of HTTPS. And let me remove this TLS context altogether. And let me remove this namespace also. Okay. Okay. So now let's see how it works. I mean, whether uh, it works or not. So what we'll do, we will run this project. So let's open this one, and this there is an option called run, and I will run it without debug. So let's see how it works. So similar to Anypoint Studio, now it is trying to build and deploy that application. Waiting will take some time. Showing me. Let's wait till it gets deployed. Okay, now it's got deployed and it started. Let open it in browser. It's asking for a endpoint, so the endpoint is SCH, and it's giving me unknown description. So let's see. I mean, sometimes it's happened. I need to maybe restart the code once again, and then it should start working. Because it's in beta version, so it's still not that much stable. So let's see. So first, let me see whether I mean, it's evident that it's showing something is not correct in the data whip. But when I actually tested this code from Anypoint Studio, it was working absolutely fine, and it's a very simple code. I mean, it's just I'm concatenating some string. So let me do one thing. Let me put this code once again, and let's see how it works. Because sometimes what happened, maybe this codes are, we need to write the codes once again. Okay, let me give a focus. Don't know why it is giving this concatenation here. Okay, let's give it a try. So I will stop. Yeah, and now we will again run it. See, otherwise it's still showing some error in this plus symbol. I don't know. I mean, maybe just to complete this demo, I will remove this plus sign and keep it a single string if it is still not working, and see if that resolves the issue now. Because for the time being, I just want to show you that how to export the project and how to test it. See, It's got deployed. Now I'm open browser. Let's give the endpoint. It's still showing unknown descriptor. So let me do one thing. First, let's go here and let's remove this. So I just want to keep a single string. Let's make it hello world, something like that. Let's see. Okay. And now I will stop this. I will run it once again. Okay. Let's run it once again and let's see. Yet not deployed. Okay. Okay. Let's see. In browser, give endpoint. Yeah, now it's coming. So I think that descriptor, I don't know why this plus plus symbol it's not taking. So now let me show you one thing. If you, yeah, so okay. First finish this and then I will show you how to log a report. I mean, how you can report a bug directly for Anypoint Code Builder. So let me close all these tabs. Okay. Now what we are going to see that how we can do the same thing, do the same testing from Postman. So for that, what I have to do, I have to click function F12 first. So remember this steps, function F12, and it will open the developer window. So if I click on F12 function and go to storage, I can go to cookies. And what I need to do, I need to copy this specific endpoint. So in when you are going to test the application from Anypoint Code Builder, remember one thing, you cannot use that local host slash 808 colon 8081 or local host colon 80, that kind of URL. Okay, so you need to, it's a little bit different than how we test uh, application running on our local machine from Anypoint Studio. So let's see the steps. So you have to copy this specific URL, and I just let me open a notepad and I need to do few things. So let's copy it over here. So I think it should, I think, copy it from here. Oh, it's not allowing me to copy. So I can get it from another place. So I can, you remember here from we launch the web ID, right? So I can click on this manage ID and then I can go to view ID details and I can copy this URL from here also. So let me copy this URL from here. Okay. So now go back to this specific window, and what we need to do, we need to copy these two value. One is auth proxy.sig and auth proxy, because we need to pass these two values. So you can copy uh, this value as it is. So I will take it and I will put it over here, and I will put the name also, name of the uh, mm, header parameter. Yeah. So auth underscore proxy dot sig, and I will take the another parameter value also. So let's copy it. So just one moment. Yeah, let's copy it here and let's put it, and then take the name also, underscore auth underscore proxy, and keep a equal to sign, put a semicolon, and keep these values together. Okay. So yeah, space. I think that's how I need to pass it in Postman. Now in Postman, what I will do, I will add this one more test window. I will copy this for this thing and I'll put it over here, and then I create something like this. Sorry, something like this. So I have to put a slash proxy after this. This is how it's work. And then I have to give the port number, which is 8081, and then my flow. Uh, I mean, my actual URI, which will invoke the specific flow. So now I will give the header value called cookies. Let me copy it from here. This is cookies, cookie. Let's add this header. I think I'm not, sorry, my bad. I'm adding a query parameter there, so it's not appearing. There is no query parameter. So let's open this and let's add this because it's ideally automatically comes. Yeah. So select this cookie, select the cookie, and then you copy paste this entire thing. So I will just put it over here and then send. Yeah. So now it's giving me the output. So I believe now you understand how we can use Postman to test an application from Anypoint Code Builder. Means that application is running locally to Anypoint Code Builder, and this is how you can test it from Postman. You have to give this URL, then append proxy with it, then give the port number, and then your URI. And you have to add this cookie parameter, and you are, I mean, I have already shown you how to get these parameters. Now going back to uh, code builder again, let's see. Yeah, let, let us come over here. Now close this. Okay, and we have tested this already. So now I can stop this specific sorry, I can stop this application. Let me stop it. Okay, it's now stopped. And one more thing, I mean, you can see this URL. I mean, you can copy this URL to test your application. So basically, this is equivalent to your local host in Anypoint in with respect to Anypoint Studio. So this URL slash proxy should always be the starting host name or starting part of your URL when you are trying to test code on your Anypoint Code Builder. Yep. Okay, so now if I want to log any complaint or issue any bug with Anypoint Code Builder, what I need to do, I need to again go to this, I mean, click on this Mule logo, and then you will see there already Mule has, I mean, MuleSoft is trying to capture all the issues which we should, I mean, which as a user or as a beta version user, we should log so that Mule can understand what are the bugs. So you can click on that, submit your feedback through GitHub. So if you click on this, it will open a GitHub page. Yeah. So here you can see that already people start logging the issues they are facing. And you can, if you want to create your own issue or you want to report your own issue, you can click on this new issue. And then you will see some of the categories. I mean, you can start reporting a bug, or you can request for a specific feature which you think that is relevant, but it's not there. Or you can give a general feedback, or if you see any security vulnerability, that also you can report. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and to some extent it become helpful to you. If you like this video, then please do subscribe my channel and also share this. That is really a motivation for me to continue with creating such videos, and videos on other, all videos related to some technical topic. So thanks for being with me, and we will see you soon with one more new video with some of the technical topic. Till then, goodbye.